So today I'm going to show you how to replace or install the ink cartridges in this printer. The first step is to switch on the printer and load A4 size sheets. Now we have to open the front door and now open the second door, which is just behind the ink cartridge chamber. Now the ink cartridge chamber will come to the middle and we just have to press the ink cartridges down and they will unlock itself. Now take the new ink cartridges, and this is the 63 tricolor and 63 black. So insert it here. So just slide it in and hold the printer with the other hand and push it in. So this way it will lock itself. Now you can close the cartridge chamber door and the front door. Now open the paper output tray. So printer prints a printer alignment page. So we need to open the top scanner bed and place this page facing downwards on the right hand side corner. Close the lid and click on the copy button. So printer will do alignment itself, and once it is done we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.